Hello everybody, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'm going to be explaining to you guys is how you can unlock all characters in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. So let's get right into it. Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game made by EA, and it is what I can only describe as a turn-based action adventure game, where you take your team of heroes, which you build through collecting your heroes, take them into battles which are stage-based, with each stage containing different enemies, and yeah, you collect rewards through them, such as currency, and you can play and continue through a campaign or through several game modes, which you unlock through playing the game. Now, to actually unlock heroes, you need to unlock them by going to the store and by getting these data cards. Now, you can collect them through these, I think, are gems, purple gems, and you use them to actually unlock these cards, where you will get several rewards, and these two cards, which you can see here, the Chromium Mega Packs, for both the light side and the dark side, do guarantee a character. However, they are quite expensive, and you can get the free Bronzium data card, where you might collect a character if you're lucky. However, as is standard with EA games, they are pretty much pay to win, and to collect all characters fast, you will need to pay a certain fee for this currency. However, I'm pretty sure that you can unlock these data cards through and packs through playing the game, and through playing the game you will unlock both cards and currency, which you can use then to buy these cards, and if you roll them you will possibly get a character. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you unlock your characters. You can view them by going to your gallery over here. If this decides to load, yeah, go into your collection and you can view all your heroes here. However, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what you need to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.